So Radhaji was sitting once waiting for Krishna Bhagavan, and Bhagavan was late. So she is sitting on the banks of the Yamuna, and she has been waiting for more than an hour's time, and Bhagavan finally he came. And she has been waiting, and when Bhagavan came, for a moment she was extremely happy. And Bhagavan also came next to her and sat down, and she was so thrilled. And the very next moment she became sad. So Bhagavan said, "My dear, what happened? Why are you sad? Now I am here. I am sorry I came late." So you know what Radhaji said? She said, "I am sad because till I was waiting for you, my thought was only on you. That I remembered only you. My name, my mind was filled only with your name and your form and bhav and love for you. When you came, I was very happy that I saw you. But for a moment, my mind said to me how much he loves me, that he came for me. So for that one moment, my attention shifted from you to me. I am really sad for that." Think about this. These are all gopis. Yashoda Maya also she is actually a gopi only. All of them are Gopa gopis, and Nanda Baba is the head of the Gopas, and Yashoda Maya, they are the chiefs of that whole community. This is the state of those gopis. Yashoda Maya's mind is in Bhagavan, Nanda Baba's mind is in Bhagavan, all the gopis, their mind is in Bhagavan. Radhaji is thinking only of Bhagavan. She is the Ahladini Shakti of Krishna Bhagavan. The power of love and power of happiness which manifests in the world. And it is because of that power alone this whole creation happens, and it is through that power Bhagavan brings all the jivas back to him. So whatever jiva offers to Bhagavan, when we offer it is called Naivedya. It is blessed by Bhagavan through his Ahladini Shakti, and it comes back to us. So the Ananda, we may offer little bit to Bhagavan, but Bhagavan gives us whole of himself, completely. That is called Bhakti, that is called Bhagavan, that is his compassion. Not, in the world we give what we give and we get something in return. In calculation it is. And there is calculation of who made how much profit. We give little bit. Are Bhagavan, you give, you see, patram pushpam phalam toyam, one drop of water, one leaf, one fruit. We can give any of that, and he gives himself. Forget that. Putana gave poison. Bhagavan took that and gave her mukti. Pundarik, he gave a brick. He did not even look at Bhagavan. He just pushed a brick, saying, "Stand on that." And Bhagavan is standing in that way. So whatever we give to Bhagavan, he recycles everything but gives it back to us only as Anand. So we pray today that may our mind be like the gopis, and may we revel in Krishna Bhagavan. If each one of us become gopi and we have the gopi bhav, then we will definitely revel in Bhagavan, and his kripa and karuna will make us one with him.